Hi friends, today we will learn about standard sales order process. Uh, we'll just recap on the SD4 configuration and we'll see the flow and subsequently we'll go to SAP and create a standard sales order process configuration. So how the standard sales order works? So it works from inquiry, and the inquiry to go to petition. Then we can go to sales order, outbound delivery, and post-close issue begin. Okay, so here we will be in SAP, we will see from sales order to delivery and then post-close issue and begin. The key transaction code is VA01. Then we'll go for creating the delivery in VL01N. PGI will do it in VL02N. Within, we can do it in VF01. So these are the transaction code which are required. Subsequently, we'll see how the document mapping is there. So the standard process is sales order, APOI, and delivery, and billing is F2. Okay, so next is pricing procedure. It is determined based upon the sales order. So sales order data will come, sales area will come from the sales order, and customer pricing procedure, determining pricing procedure from the customer, and also order type. The condition types are defined in the pricing. Pricing procedure is defined in it slash 06. 06 is condition type, 08 is the pricing procedure. VK11 we are getting the condition records, which will be reflected in the pricing procedure. The condition values will be determined. Item category, yes, when it comes to delivery relevance, item category, when we take the sales order, standard order, it is VOB7, where it is confirmed. So if it is delivery relevant, it is TAM. It's not delivery relevant, it's TAB. This we will see it in third party order process. So where what are the configurations done? I mean, just the recap of VOB8, we have done this. We find OR and we have linked the delivery and the invoice in the VOB8 itself. And then we set up delivery, where we have seen the number ranges for the rules and the billing. You see the important is the account determination and sales organization. So we'll go back to this process. We'll start creating in SAP. So before going to VA01 creating the sensor, I will go to some recap on the sensor type. So we had customized from SOR to JPOR. So here we'll just see this OR will work. It is a standard process. So we have just copied the same thing in JPOR, and also I have mapped to JPLF and JPF. So you can see everything remains same, and here just to verify our customized delivery types are working or there is some issue. So you can see this JPLP, it is not an immediate delivery block is not there, signal condition 01. And the delivery type is delivery relevant type is JPF, and the other type is JP. So here this is document pricing procedure is A, and we are going for the we're checking the division, item division. Here enter the clear number is okay. So next is so we just say the read info record. This also can be validated. So what you can do is an BD51, and my customer number is special. So this is the customer BD Limited, and here we are going to the for this material. So custom material is ABC1. Surrounding profile and unit of measure. Okay. So here, if you would like to default the price plan, so JPP1, annual price high. Okay, here also you can define what is the WWN, so the WWN item uses, see this item uses, and defaults many things. Okay, just save it. With the custom material for record is clear. So we'll go to VA01 and here JP1. Here we will give this empty party. So PO number suppose PO, and here it comes as we will give the custom material. So if we give the custom material number, it should be turned with the material number. So you see, this is the. Now the thing is the pricing condition is missing. So the pricing department will clear the pricing. Here we have AK07 selected JPR. In the pricing we created only two condition types. One is custom material. So here I'll just go for global material. What is the material basic price is 505, 58, and 1%. Okay, I just save it and I'll place created discount. So discount was created ZK07 for the customer group level, so 01. So for this customer I will give. So it is already created. There is no need to create. So if as soon as you enter this, it should. Okay, you can see this whether the related or not. K13, you can see the pricing condition. I will this down. You see this, execute. You can see this 10% left. So for this customer group, we are giving 10%. So I'll go to this pricing procedure. If it is not determined, the pricing is not determined. So what we can do is we can just update the new pricing which we maintain. So here we can see this VPRS condition, which is showing us 04. Okay, sorry, 84 comes from your standard price. Okay, so if you go to material and you go to accounting view, so the standard price is maintained is 84. So it is coming up. And for VPRS to work, it should be there should be determined cost flag should be on. So this is already configured. Okay, so that side is coming. So we'll go to item category as well. PO 7, where what is the item category which is being determined? Go back Here you can see within double click the item category is TA. So what is the item category? Here let us go to the here, and here okay, so let me see the mapping VOV4. So if we go to JPOR, what is the item category for now? This actually is not item category is not. So here you can see this. So we created a we created the customized one. So JTAN. Okay, so this mapping is not updated. So we will see. Again, we try to create the line item. Okay, so you can delete this line item. I will given the ABC one, that is the customer method number. So from the info record this is coming. This SAP internal number is coming up, and also it will see there is other one which is the pricing FP1. Okay, we start a new transaction once again. Let's see FP1. Okay, so here with here even I can put this also 10 buttons, and the custom material particular comes here. So you see the pricing is already there. Click. You can see this item category is determined is ZTA. Okay, now go to edit and completion log. If anything is missing in your document, before saving it, I will go for. You see, material group is written from the sales order. This comes from the customer, and then here you can see this JPP1, JPS1. Route is determined, stored location is not taken. So even we can set the store location as well. So this we are. If my store location should work, so here standard basic pensions. Sorry, it is from the logistics. Logistics. Shipping point determination. Determine picking location. Here, picking location determination. This is shipping. Okay, we will see that. Sign picking locations. So here, what you is to supposed to do is JP. So there is a mapping JPS1, shipping point, and plant. We created. Yes, shipping condition 1 we have created. So even for shipping condition 1, we can map this APN. Suppose this is the business scenario, so we can do. So here you can see this. Back. do one thing. I'll try to delete and here itself. Okay, see this whether it is read 10 here. I will just go to this condition is now here. I open 301. I would have given the free group flow, but here I would like to show you, I mean, how the configuration, some configurations are missing and what is the impact. So, your location, what is the shipping condition? You have to see the shipping condition. Go to shipping. If the shipping condition and everything is okay, you can do shipping condition is 01. So, what is the shipping point determined? The PS1, JPP1, and the show location is JP1. See JP1. Okay, the route is also determined. So, in completion log, but only save complete. So go to deliver. So here already the sales center is created. It is going for transaction VL01N. Okay. So here, if you see, we need to do the two actions. One is picking. We have to do the picking. Just press 10. So it is fully picked. If you have not entered this picking, so it is not yet picked. Now we put 10. It is picked. Now what is the boost moment data? So from the schedule line, you know, we have been configured 601 moment type. So it is appearing right here. And we will go for save. Okay. So we can save this. Then picking is complete. We can also even do the post processes here. Just for the simplification of the flow, we'll go for save. If you see either it is able to create the outbound delivery or not. Okay, so here the outbound delivery is created. We'll go for change and try to do the post issue. So here what is it is mentioned that REF PG. So this number range is not mentioned. But the number range is there. Actually, this number range is the financial number range. Okay. So when it is trying to post the metal document, it is saying that this for financial document posting, this 49 number is not meant. So at the N1, where you define the either you go to this transaction code and you try to define. You can see this number range definition when you created the last time the FI enterprise structure. Follow that video. You'll see that we created only 3. So now so here what you can do is either we go to SPRO. Okay, I will not go to details. Okay, so what was the FE1N? Here there is a subcode which is P00 and go for the interval. And SAP recommends the interval is 49 as per the configuration. Standard configuration is there. So it is 49, then 00, 00, all zeros, and 49, 9, up to 9. So this is 49 series. Same. So we'll go to so here we will once again go to VN0 to N and this. Okay. So VA02. So we'll go for post goods issue. So you can see this no item category assigned to 46010. So this is OBYC. OBYC will go for 460100. For this it is not meaningful. So what is 4609100? Let's see. This is should be done by the financial consultant, eco consultant. This cost of goods sold. Okay. So cost of goods sold, if you will go to display, is the cost of goods sold. So here, OBYC, this is consultant. We'll take the GL from the financial consultant, we'll do the mapping. So it's trying to post the cost of goods sold. Okay, wait for the screen. Okay, item categories will go for SPRO. In hotel management, go to this valuation account assignment. Account determination. Here will be the OBOC. Okay. Where we will attach this item category and what is the error? No item category is assigned. This is basically the classified accounts. You can go here. Okay, or otherwise you can go to this. It's not there in here, it is there in the financial accounting, and go to the GL and here business transaction, get the banking splitting, classify. This it talks about. So here, so you can just do the new entries. That is the account code. So GL account. I think 460. This one 460100. So this is not. This is actually it will be done by the financial consultant. What is usually this method. Save. Okay. Now this transaction should go. So we go to this CC. Sorry. what we need to do is we will go to again reinitiate the transaction. Okay. So we have 0 to n, press enter and go to applications. You can see this. This is set with those goods issue status and the material document. This is got posted. If you would like to see the flow, what is the document flow? Here, this one should be the document flow. Yes. Here, your goods issue delivery document is there. So you can go to this display document. This is the 601 document. It's done. It is goods issue delivery to customer 65001 account assignment. Your GL is this. So here, if you go to FI documents, which is got created in the background, so you can see this. So the inventory got debited and inventory got credited. Your cost of goods sold account is debited. So 99, if you see, 99 is credited. Credit, stock outward movement, and this is 81 is debit. So cost of goods sold. Okay. So next is we should be able to create the billing. So we can go to BF01 or create, directly give the number, or you can go to BF03. In BF04, it should show the outstanding delivery document which is to be billed. You can see this BF01. So the simplest transaction is BF01. We just press enter. Press enter. So business place is not open. So what we can do is this also we can map. So it is a warning. We just what is the important point is over here? It is the account determination asset. So reconciliation account and cash accounts. So here go back. Here just to save. Once you save it, this document is generated. Okay. But the no journal entry. Why? That we need to see whether any accounting revenue account determined or not. So we go to 0 here. What is the status? You can see the status why this error in accounting interface. So we go to account determination, revenue accounts. Let's see why the account is not it. So here if you see GL account is determined 4000, and this one no GL account. So this is also determined. So then what is the issue? Business place section. Okay. So what we can do is go to release the error in account determination table MWS. MWS determination is not working. So here what is T030? That is so it should be 40. Financial people do. So here I can posting related WS we have to maintain. We have to maintain the chart of account. What is the code with the accounting? That's it. Now This once this is maintained, so we will go to the billing document, which is BL02. This is, let us see, this is the billing document. Yes, so we go there with this. Here it says that Z1 is not existing. So now what we are doing is interval. Now we'll go for plus, and here Z1 0.026, and what is the number? That's 99. Number that you have to maintain. It is the 99 9990 and so 91. Zeros, 99. So how many? 10. 6, 6, 8, 8. Save it. So it should help us to fix the issue. This document issue is fixed. So now you can see this, how the document got posted in FI. So you can see this and go to accompanying document. And here you can see this. This is the customer debit, and then the basically the revenue credit. Okay, the tax also credit, and then the discount is debit. So here we have to say that the reference is the billing document or created. So this comes from the RB document. Okay, now into this. Here I'd like to mention that this journal entry is created, and if we go to the flow, you can see all the documents which is created. Okay. So this is not clear. So once we clear this through FI entry, we will take a cash receipt F-28 and we will knock off, and then the journal entry, you can see that it is clear. This is all about the FI posting in a reading book.